Motorcycle Basic Controls Explained, complete rider training for beginners. Welcome to Rajendra Ravi Automobile Support. In today's training video, we will learn the basic controls of a motorcycle. Understanding each control correctly is the first step to becoming a safe and confident rider. Visual, motorcycle full view. Rider wearing helmet and safety gear. Training title animation. 1. Throttle, right hand grip. Explanation, the throttle controls engine speed. When we rotate the throttle towards us, engine RPM increases and the motorcycle accelerates. When we release the throttle, speed decreases. Safety points, avoid sudden acceleration. Maintain smooth throttle operation. Keep wrist position comfortable. Front brake lever. Explanation, the right-hand lever controls the front brake. The front brake provides strong stopping power, but it should be applied smoothly. Safety tips, do not suddenly press hard. Apply both front and rear brakes together. Maintain proper distance. Visual, brake lever animation. Front wheel stopping. Clutch lever. The clutch lever is operated by the left hand. It connects and disconnects engine power from the gearbox. Uses, starting the motorcycle. Changing gears. Controlling slow speed movement. Common mistake, keeping fingers continuously on clutch can damage clutch plates. Gear shifter. Explanation, the gear lever is operated by the left foot. Most motorcycles have a 1 down and 4 up gear pattern. Correct method, release throttle slightly. Pull clutch. Change gear smoothly. Release clutch gradually. Rear brake. Explanation, the rear brake is operated by the right foot. It helps maintain motorcycle balance during braking. Important, during emergency braking, use front and rear brakes together. Visual, rear brake pedal operation. Dashboard indicators. Explain, speedometer. Shows motorcycle speed. Fuel gauge. Shows remaining fuel level. Engine warning light. Indicates engine-related problems. Turn signal indicator. Shows left and right signals. High beam indicator. Shows headlight high beam operation. Visual, dashboard close-up. Indicator symbols. Safety checks before riding. Before every ride, follow the T-clocks inspection method. T. Tires. Check air pressure and damage. C. Controls. Check brake, clutch, throttle. L. Lights. Check indicators and headlights. O. Oil. Check engine oil level. C. Chassis. Check frame and suspension. S. Stand. Remove side stand before riding. Visual, rider inspection checklist. Knowing motorcycle controls is not only about riding, it is about riding safely. Practice every control until it becomes natural. Always wear helmet, follow traffic rules, and ride responsibly. Subscribe. Like. Share. Rajendra Ravi Automobile Support. A motorcycle is not only a vehicle, it is your safety partner. Today we will learn the top 10 accessories every motorcycle rider should carry for safety, comfort, and emergency situations. Helmet. Riding gloves provide better grip and protect your hands. A riding jacket with shoulder, elbow, and back protection reduces injuries during falls. Mobile holder helps you use navigation safely. A USB charger keeps your phone powered during long rides. Never use your phone while riding. Puncture kits. First aid box. Disc lock. Air inflator. Seat cushion.